Okay, well, we're down here on the floor. Before we start what we're doing down here, I need you to get a paper and a pen. And on your paper, I want you to write the ABCs. So I'm gonna use it. Let's see, where's my paper? I'll use this paper over here. Oh, I don't have any regular paper. Where's my marker? Oh, yeah, there we go. We'll use the board. So you're gonna get a paper, and I just want you to write A, B, C, D, E, or sorry, music alphabet. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, okay? So write them across. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Just like that. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just go ahead and write them out. And we're gonna use that for you to use instead of the alphabet magnets. So you can see you don't have alphabet magnets at home. And also you want something that you can use for shakers. I put some rice into sippy cups and I'm gonna use them for my shakers. So those are the tools that you'll use to do some of our activities here on the floor. Okay, so but first we're gonna do our Don't Put Your Trash song. So this one for today, we're gonna try and get it a little bit trickier and see if we can get to working on practicing our, hearing our harmonies in our heads with our ears, okay? So the first time we go through, I want everybody, oh, I just remembered I need to put my CD in. I want everybody to sing the Don't Put Your Trash part. We'll do it all together first, and then I'm gonna sing the other parts, and I want you to keep singing Don't Put Your Trash. So while I'm singing fish and chips and vinegar, you're still gonna sing Don't Put Your Trash. And then when I'll sing 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, you're still going to be singing the Don't Put Your Trash song, okay? So, oh, let's see, is it gonna work for me? On, off. I'm so glad I saved this little, you can't see it. I have this little tiny CD player because I'm recording with my phone, so I can't play it for the music from my phone. So I'm so glad that I saved. I've almost thrown it out several times because I just hardly ever use it, but I'm glad that I did because it's come in handy the last few weeks. All right, okay, here we go. Oh, nope, not this one. This one. Don't put your trash, okay? So we're gonna scoop first, ready? Here we go. And you guys are gonna keep scooping the whole time while I do the others, ready? Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard. Now keep singing that. Don't put your trash in my backyard, backyard, my backyard. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't put your trash in my backyard, my backyard's full. Okay, we kind of changed it a little bit, and I just kept singing Don't Put Your Trash with you because I realized we had the CD singing the other parts, so I could sing the Don't Put Your Trash with you. So that's a good thing. So now let's try it, and this time we're gonna try singing Fish and Chips and Vinegar the whole entire time, okay? Here we go. So the whole time, fish, remember this is grab, eat, eat, grab, eat, eat, grab. Don't fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pickle, pickle, pepper, pop. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pickle, pickle, pepper, pop. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pickle, pickle, pepper, pop. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pickle, pickle, pepper, pop. Yay! Again, this time you guessed it, we're gonna sing 1 bottle of pop the whole time, all right? Here we go. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop, pop. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 work for you to sing along with me. So the goal of that, tell your parents if they're not listening. Oh, sorry. The goal of this song is to learn to sing harmonies. So to be able to sing Don't Put Your Trash while other people are singing Fish and Chips and Bottle of Pop part. So really try and figure out if you can hear one of those parts and just sing it the whole time, even when the others are going on. That's our goal that we want to have for that one. Okay, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. The order is the very same way, but after G comes letter A. As I sing, how smart I'll get with my music alphabet. Dink! Okay, today we're gonna use our music alphabet, and instead of alphabet, so if we were in class, I would have you do your alphabet notes. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and do them. I'd have you make an alphabet magnet thingy. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So, but since you don't have these, you can make them and cut them out at home. You can do that. Or you can just write them on the note right here. And I'm going to point to a note. So if I point to E, I want you to slap, put your hand over the E, or put your finger on the E note that you're on, okay? Or if you were here in class, you'd slap that E. But here, you're just going to put your finger on it. Alrighty? So, let's give it a try. Here we go. What about... What note is it? B. Okay. Group of two. C, D, E, D. What about F? Group of three spells F, G, A, B. F. What about this one up here? What note is that? Group of three, F, G, A, B. E. C, G. Ooh, tricky one is below the C. It's a B. D. F. A. Group of three, F, G, A, B, and this comes after B, so it's C, right? G, B, E, and C. Yes, exactly right. Good job, friends. Okay, keep working on your note naming stuff at home. Remember to play games. Remember to use your alphabet, your little sticky cards. You could use those, I guess, and put those in a row if you wanted to for this game. Play it with your brothers and sisters, with your parents. Really get good, at doing those, at naming the notes and figure out which ones they are, okay? All right. What is the downbeat for our marching song? What do we start marching on? The word saints. What soldiers? What's the word we start marching on? Saints. Oh, when the saints, right? March up. Or soldier up and march into your keyboard. Find your keyboard and get to it. Soldiers, tangent. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, how I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in. 1, 2, stop. Good job. Okay, I'm going to put a chord up here on the board with my alphabet. Or excuse me, with my solfege notes. I can put a red chord with my do, mi, sol. Do, mi, sol. Okay, right now, is that red chord blocked or broken? It's broken. I mean, it's blocked, right? Oh, crazy, Miss Anisha. It's blocked. It's all stacked up nice and neat like a block tower. Now, we know that if I break it apart, then it's a broken red chord. But let's take it back over here to the blocked way. what if I just break it a little bit? What if I move these two over and just slide them over? Now we're playing do and then mi and sol together at the same time. What interval do those make? Stacked up nice and neat. It's called a third. Yeah, it makes an interval of a third. And the way that you play that is you go do, mi and sol together, do, mi and sol, do, third, do, third. And you can play the When the Saints Go Marching like that. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching. And then it's going to change to a new chord, isn't it? So this is like our fingers are marching, right? They're going bum, bum, marching, marching, marching. Just like our feet go one at a time, our fingers go 1, 2, and these two are together, but we're pretending they're 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Now what if we do the same thing for our blue chord? Do you think we can do that? Do. And then we have fa, la. Now we're going to slide these ones over and make a marching for them instead of blocked. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la. What interval does this make? It's also a third, huh? Stacked up nice and neat. It's called a third. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la. Ooh, how about yellow? What do you think yellow is going to be like? Are we going to be able to do that one? Yellow is spelled T, re, sol. Now this way they're blocked, right? It's stacked up like a block tower. If we slide these two apart, what interval are they? Little gap between, it's called a fourth. And instead of playing them all together, you're going to play T, re, sol, T, re, sol, marching, 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 marching. Now your fingers know how to march just like your feet were marching. So that's exactly what we're going to work on this week. And then, so let's see, that's on page 15 is your Saints, yep, oh yeah. So here's an example of the marching. This is the primary cadence song, the red, blue, red, yellow, red, where they can practice doing that for all of them. Red, blue, red, yellow, red. And then on page 26 is the Saints Go Marching song, 26 and 27, but in broken. Marching, 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 marching. And I need you to color your book and to color the right chords. So the whole measure, this one's all red, this one's all red, red, yellow, it says them up there, red, blue, red, yellow. Oh, this one shares. This one measure has 2 of them, red just for 2, and then yellow for 2, and then red for the whole ending again. So go ahead and color those and practice doing your marching chords this week. That's going to be super fun. It'll sound more like the Saints Go Marching song, so that'll be awesome. And that's your theory assignment for the week. So it has a few of them in your book right here that you can practice doing, but then up here it says, turn to page 26 and 27 in the songbook, color the marching chords on When the Saints Go Marching. So that's what you want to do for that one next, okay? All right, let's see. Next we're going to turn to page 24 and play some more.